this is the next question. You can pause for a second and read the question, then we read it together. The question is, an application needs to access resources from another AWS account with another VPC in the same region. So there's one region, two VPCs. In each VPC, I'm assuming there is an application on an instance or any kind of VPC-based service. Which of the following ensures that the resources can be accessed as required? Now, there are four options here, and in two of the options, I see NAT. I will straight away eliminate these two answers because NAT is just a way of masking all the machines and resources that are there in your private subnet and help it connect to the internet. So I don't think NAT is a way to give access for a resource from one VPC to another. Then there is VPN and VPC pairing. Both of these, in a way, can actually be used to make two VPCs connect together. But VPN is actually going around the route because VPN is just a way of extending a VPC to on-premise networks. If you use VPN, it would be an external, extremely complicated setup. So I would say VPC pairing, which is an accept and request mechanism where two VPCs can for the connections to happen. VPC pairing is the answer.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more such videos at Simply Clouded. To subscribe our channel, please hit the bell icon at the bottom.